Alright, here we are on a Continental Airlines. It's 777. This is the AVOD system. I'm going to show you how it works. This is a coach flight. We're going to Newark to Frankfurt. See, this is the travel map. But we're going to show you guys how it's interactive. We're going to play a game here. And that's like I said, you got your movies, just like before. We're going to have movies, the releases, see all of the movies. What we're going to do is we're going to play a game, and we're going to play Battleship. And the great thing about their AVOD system is that it's all interlinked to where I can play Battleship with my friend over here, and I'm going to show you how that works. Alright, so it's loading up right now. So you hit multi, and then new game, public game. So I'm just going to guess number 1. And guess number 2 just joined. And we're going to start the game. And just to make this fast, we're going to do volley, which is just a faster form of Battleship. You get 5. So here's mine. I'm going to just place my boats. Place. And we're just going to play a quick game here.
It's not a slide. Touch.
I'll just leave that one there, and we'll move that one there. Alright, so we're going to play games, and I'll show you, that's his screen over there. Get 5. One of their ships. Blowing up my ship. Over. But this is just to show you really quick how you can play checkers, you can play mini games like that, where you can play with multiple people all across the airplane. So this is just wanted to show you guys, and I'll go back to games really quick. And you have all these different games to choose from here. You can play checkers, you can play chess, so it's pretty good. You get all the programs. I'll go back to short programs. Here's Showtime, which is pretty cool. And then music. You have all the music you want to listen. You can possibly want to listen to. So overall, the Continental AVOD system is pretty good. Ground speed 635 miles an hour. So a nice long flight to Frankfurt. So this is the AVOD. Continental Airlines 777. There's nothing outside. Thanks for watching. Rate, subscribe, and comment. Thanks.